Hello, my name is Alessia Nikolenko and I am the owner and creator of Mosaic Professionals. Today I would like to show you how to apply spider gel like a pro. Spider gel is not like any other gel what you used to work with. You can stretch it a lot, really a lot. This option is very helpful for geometric designs. It was never so easy before to get perfect straight lines or curves. In Mosaic, we have different colors of spider gel: bright neons, smooth pastels, and sparkling glitters. For glitter series, we used tiny crushed glitter, which is very sparkling and looks amazing even in a thinnest light. The gem of our collection is Rainbow Dew Gel. It has a clear base and a mix of different kind of glitter, from opal flakes to tiny aurora pigments. It shines like infinity stones. Color spider gels don't have tacky layer. Glitter ones have a very tiny one that can be easily wiped off with a finishing wipe. There are two ways of application. First, apply it on top of cured top gel as a final decoration. Spider gel doesn't need to be overlaid with top gel, so it will stay as a decoration element on top. When you make this kind of design, for longer durability of spider gel, leave the top coat half cured before spider gel application. We prefer to have it cured 10 seconds in LED lamp. When you will cure spider gel, top gel will cure completely together with it. Second way is to apply spider gel into the wet top coat layer. In this case, you can make really beautiful soft geometric motifs. But you need to work fast, because spider gel may flow in wet layer when you turn the nail, and lines may appear not straight when you cure them. Don't forget, you can use it as design option. The difference of this method is that you have a smooth nail surface after curing. Have a beautiful manicures. Subscribe to my channel and become a pro with Mosaic Professionals.